Okay, Miss Kathy, I'm up here on your roof here, getting ready to go to the top, and as I was stepping on the ladder, off the ladder, standing at the front of your house on the left-hand side, front, you do have a blown off shingle here. So it's rusted nail, so it's been blown off for a little bit there. Going on up to the area where you can see the blown off shingle from the ground. So this is it right here. So you got to be having a leak here also. And the other side's probably leaking. You're just not seeing signs of it, any brown stains on your ceiling yet, but yeah, the wood is almost starting to deteriorate there, but yeah, you got exposed paper here. Rusted nails there. So yeah, they definitely got some blown off shingles here. But yeah, your shingles, for the age of it, if it was 2004 when they were put on, they're in good shape. So going back to the back here, you got another blown off shingle tab here, so that's two missing shingle tabs. Now this is the back of the roof. So everything looks good back here. Yeah. Ridge vents. Oh, the nails are still caulked. You got a little bit of caulk coming off of this one. Because when the caulk wears off, those are potential roof leaks. But yeah, the roof is in pretty good shape. So yeah, you still got a good amount of tread still left on it. Okay, over and out.